Right now, real quick, on a scale of 1 to 10, how attractive are you? Yeah, you can't stutter. You can't stutter, and I don't want you to give me the politically correct, I'm a 10 answer that your mommy told you to always say and believe in. No, I'm telling you, how attractive do you actually think you are in the real world? How attractive do you think people perceive you? Well, I'm gonna help you out with that. See, if you do any of these things that I'm gonna talk about in this video, chances are you're a highly attractive dude. Let's hop into this. 1. You can give out compliments all day long to anybody. This is an interesting trait of confident people. See, highly confident and attractive men have no problem giving out compliments to other people. Whether they like their personality, how they talk, their work ethic, how they dress, what they look. They are confident in being able to give out compliments. If you catch yourself doing that often, chances are you're a highly confident dude that is probably super attractive, and do not feel threatened when you see somebody else that's equally attractive or better than you in whatever shape, way, or form. 2, you are well groomed. This is a very common trait amongst almost every handsome dude. You find any handsome dude you want and look at their grooming. They're always polished. They're always put together. They're always on point. This is why you need to be that hyper focused with your grooming, because it's one of those things that you have complete control over. You can actually put into action. And this starts as simple as your shower. What are you doing in the shower? What products are you using? Are you using the same bar of soap for your hair, your body, your face? Like, come on, bro. Like, you know, we're grown men. You should not be using 3-in-1s anymore. You need your shampoo. You need your conditioner. You need your body wash. And if you want to make it an extra power up, make sure they smell great. Yo, you do just this. A good shower every day. You're already better groomed than most dudes that just roll out of bed and go on through their day. You already are more attractive than what? About 60% of men probably don't even shower in the mornings. That's all you gotta do. Matter of fact, I'm gonna help men shower in the mornings. As you know, we have our shower bundle with He Grooming, which comes with the shampoo, body wash, and conditioner. Now this was designed for men. This is grown men stuff. Some of the best ingredients in the world. And then we infused it with oils from France and Italy. So our shower bundle has a high-end fragrance scent. So when you use it, the user experience is insane, and you step out smelling like a sexy dude. Like, you smell high value. Well, that shower bundle, boys, I'm gonna put it on a discount just today, just for those dudes that really wanna level up their grooming, want to be on par with some of the most attractive dudes in the world. I'm gonna do a 30% off discount. Now, this only works when you buy all 3 as a set. I'm going to have the link down below for the set. You'll see it there, and yep, 24 hours, that's it. 24 hours you're gonna get with this 30% discount. That means anybody that's watching this video tomorrow, they're gonna lose out. This is for the dudes that are here today that wanna improve their grooming to look more attractive. If you guys wanna check that out, it'll be linked down below. 3, you lock eyes with a lot of people. This just means that people are genuinely looking at you at all times. See, the more attractive you are, the more stares you're often gonna get. And if you feel yourself, you're constantly locking eyes with people, chances are this is just a sign you're a highly attractive individual. 4, you have a growth mentality. Again, if you're that type of dude that recognizes weaknesses and is able to spot them and turn them into strengths, you're probably attractive. See, because when you have a growth mentality, it is almost impossible to be ugly. Just because you'll notice, all right, yo, shoot, I'm gaining a little bit, way too much weight. I got too much blubber here. I'm hitting the gym, right? Or like, whoa, yo, man, my conversational skills aren't good. All right, I'm gonna start talking to people. I'm gonna start going to social situations. See, when you have a growth mentality, you're the type of man that sees what your weakness is, turns it into a strength, and it is inevitable to be more attractive. 5, people always fix themselves up when they're near you. Notice this next time. Anytime you get into a social setting, when you step in there, how is their body change? Do they stand up straight, right? Do they now point in your direction? Do you see them, fix their clothing? You might, especially with girls. Girls will always tell. They start fixing their hair, they get all giggly, they'll fix their makeup. If people start they call it micro grooming. You see these like little micro grooming habits start to happen around you? Probably because you're attractive. And finally, number 6, you get a lot of matches on dating apps. See, Most of you probably don't know this, but how the algorithm works on a lot of these dating apps is the more attractive people get shown on more feeds to keep user retention high. See, if all you see on your feed is really attractive girls, you're gonna wanna go on Tinder more often or Hinge more often. So the most attractive people that get the most swipes, the positive swipes, are the ones that the algorithm promotes more on more feeds, and which is why it keeps that positive loop of the most attractive people, the top 10%, getting all the matches. So if you catch yourself on any of these apps constantly getting matches, chances are you're highly attractive. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, boys, don't forget our shower bundle for heat grooming. I'm gonna have it on sale. It'll also be linked down below as well. Just today, that means tomorrow. That sale's gone, bro. That's it for me today. See you next time.